Namaste to all dear warriors and students. Here I am with a new video relating to income from salary, and in this problem we are going to calculate income from salary with the entertainment allowance as well as house rental allowance. And some of the students are having different regarding dearness pay and dearness allowance. So dearness pay and dearness allowance are what? See, dearness pay means dearness pay is nothing but DA enters for retirement benefits or service benefits, whatever we call. Okay, means for the computation of HRA calculation, gratuity calculation, and employer contribution in excess of 12%, everywhere wherever you will get salary, meaning as salary equals to basic pay plus DA enters for retirement benefit. This is nothing but your dearness pay. Dearness pay. Okay, so let us discuss these points now. So when they say dearness pay, it is entires for retirement benefits. That is what here meaning. Here one question: Mr. Madhav Sen, aged 45 years, is working as an assistant in marketing department of TTD Limited, Bengaluru. Where? Bengaluru. His salary income details are as follows. Okay, basic salary 15,000 per month, so we need to multiply it by 12. Dearness allowance is given 5,000 per month, so into 12. Dearness pay, please put a star mark. This will be useful for us for calculating HRA exemption. So dearness pay 2,000 per month into 12 we need to do. Commission, this one please, it is not a fixed percentage, so while calculating HRA exemption this commission will not be taken, but commission will be taxable under the subhead salary. Okay, entertainment allowance 700 per month, 6,000 spent on entertainment during the year. See, this is a cream biscuit, don't eat it, sugar aa jayega. Idi cream biscuit amma, idi assal manaku avasaram ledu, because entertainment allowance is fully taxable allowance. It is fully taxable allowance, but in case of government employees, it will be allowed as deduction under section 16 subsection 2. It will be allowed as deduction to only to government employees, but here Mr. Madhav Sen is working in TTD Limited, means it is a non-governmental organization or private non-government organization, limited company. So house rental allowance 7,000 per month, rent paid by him 9,000 per month. Okay, house rental allowance 7,000 per month and rent paid by him 9,000 per month. We need to see these as separate working note. इसके लिए working note करना पड़ेगा how much it is taxable. So compute taxable salary for the assessment year 2022-23, ignoring the alternative tax regime. New tax regime को छोड़ दे के calculate करो बोल रहे. So let us discuss one by one each and everything. First working note 1, we need to calculate what? HRA, taxable HRA. Meaning of salary for the calculation of HRA will be, salary means what? Salary is equals to, I am writing here, basic pay plus dearness pay, or you can say it as DA enters for retirement benefit, or you can say it as DP, dearness pay, plus commission fixed percentage commission percentage on turnover. సేల్స్ పైన ఏదైనా పర్టికులర్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఉంటే దట్ వీ నీడ్ టు టేక్. బట్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ కమిషన్ బట్ నాట్ యాజ్ ఎ ఫిక్స్డ్ పర్సంటేజ్. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ amount is there that we need to take. What is our basic salary given in the question? 15,000 per month. So 15,000 into 12 if you do, you will get 1,80,000. And dearness pay, it is given as 2,000 per month into 12, it will be 24,000. So 1,80,000 plus 24,000, 2,04,000 is your salary for the calculation of HRA. For the purpose of HRA, salary means this one. House rental allowance received 7,500 per month into 12, 90,000. Least of the following is allowed as exemption. So less exemption, least of the following. Rent paid minus 10% of salary. This would be better for you. Rent paid minus 10% of salary. How much rent he is paying? 9,000 per month he is paying. So 9,000 into 12, it will be 1,08,000. And this is your whole total salary. 2,04,000 into 10% will be 20,400. So 1,08,000 minus 20,400, 87,600 are 40% of salary. So 2,04,000 into 40% because non-metro city 81,600 और एक्चुअल HRA रिसीव्ड 90,000. तीनों में से कौन सा कम है? మూడింట్లో ఏది తక్కువ ఉంది? out of these three, least one is what? 40% of salary. So 40% of salary comes to 81,600. So deduct that one from 90,000. Deduct that one from 90,000. 90,000 minus 81,000. 81,000. Okay, 90,000 from, if you deduct 90,000 lo nunchi, from this 90,000 if you are deducting amount 81,600, 8,400 is taxable HRA. Okay, private sector employee cannot get, one more note we need to write, private sector employee cannot get deduction of entertainment allowance received. Further expenditure shall be ignored while calculating taxable amount of entertainment allowance. How much he is spent, that will not be counted. Like this you need to write additional note point relating to entertainment allowance, then only you will get O, right? So let us see the computation of income from salary of Mr. Madhav Sen. So here is the computation of taxable salary of Mr. Madhav Sen for the previous year and assessment year. Status assumed as resident and non-government employee. Okay, particulars amount. Basic salary 15,000 into 12, 1,80,000. Dearness allowance 5,000 into 12, 60,000. Dearness pay 2,000 into 12, 24,000. Commission given 45,000 directly taken. Entertainment allowance 700 into 12. Amount spent should be ignored because entertainment allowance is fully taxable. So 8,400, 1,80,000, 60,000, 24,000, 45,000. Entertainment allowance 8,400 and house rental allowance working note 1, just now we did 8,400. So gross salary 3,25,800. Less deduction under section 16(1)(a), only one deduction is there. 50,000 maximum limit are gross salary or statutory limit. 50,000 are 25,800, which one is less? 50,000 is less. So from gross salary 3,25,000, if you deduct 50,000, 2,75,000 is our taxable salary. This is how you need to solve the problem. 10 मिनट में फटाफट प्रॉब्लम कर लिए. 12 मार्क्स के लिए कभी कभी आ जाता. So this is how you need to calculate HRA and computation of income from salary. Hope this video will be useful to you all and clear your all doubts.